Okay, lead code 18 for sum. Given an array nums of n integers, return an array of all the unique quadruplets a, b, c, d such that a, b, c, d is from 0 to n are distinct and is equal to the target. So fairly similar to threesome, but now except now, even though we're still using 2 pointers, we'll have to still double loop. And then we still need to sort to be efficient. A, B, ascending order. Right, okay. And now we need a double loop here. Because you can't really do anything. There's no 3-pointer solution or anything. So n minus 3. And let j equal I plus 1. J less than n minus 2. J plus plus. Okay. And we can skip duplicates here. If I is 0, and the value at IE is equal to the previous one. Right, we can just continue. No need to, because we're looking for unique quadruplets, so we can skip duplicates there. Just for readability. And we can do the same for J. And we need to do that from I plus 1. And nums J equals nums J minus 1, the previous one. We can just keep going. No need to check that one. And then we make our pointers, which will be from j plus 1 in this case instead of I, since we need 4. And our right side is going to be still n minus 1. No change there. And then while left is less than right, we'll have a sum nums I plus nums j plus nums left plus nums right. And if the sum is equal to the target, we'll do results dot push, and that'll be an array, and then we'll add that nums j, nums left, and nums right. And then left plus plus, right minus minus. And we can do the same skip for the 2 pointers as we do for the indexes. This skip and this skip. So left is less than right, of course. And nums left is equal to the previous, or I mean the next. Left plus plus. And then we're going to do this for right. This is going to be a minus. And right. Minus, minus. So that's this if. Else if the sum is less than the target, we'll increase the from the left side since our list is in ascending order since we sorted it. And then right minus. And then we can return results. And that should be good. Very nice. Awesome. I wonder if we can just copy this and convert it to Python. How will that go for us? We definitely don't need that. We definitely don't need this. Oh, we can just do sort XL. All this is gonna need tabbed over. Nice. This will be len nums. I didn't think this through. For I in range 0 and minus 3. So that's that. This if statement, we can just go like this. Change this to and. Go like this. Well, that wasn't too bad. Oh. For j in range, I plus 1 and minus 2. I mean, changing these ifs isn't too bad. And then we can just get rid of this, get rid of this. Looks good. Just get rid of the parentheses here. Add a colon. Change this to total. Control C. Change this to append. Plus equals 1. And like so. Right. Okay. Now it's going to be minus equal 1. Let's add some spaces here. We need this here. And here. Oh, I can just delete all these parentheses. Else. Well, this is LF. Okay, I'm going with this is not the recommended way to write Python after this experience. I think it's very easy to miss something. Yeah, very easy to miss something. What's wrong with this? Invalid syntax. What about now? Aha. Very nice. But we should Google that. Triple equals in Python. Not working. Is there no triple equals in Python? Does not have. Oh, learn something new. Ah. Oh, learn something new there. And that is for some.